They are he's a grandson of Mr. Yamamoto. He's also the big supporter of Oyster.
Okayama.
Yes. There?
No, no.
Only Tokyo.
Okinawa, smart kid. When I last visited Japan about 2 months ago, I met up with Oyster people in
President and the
President.
Secretary General.
And I was very happy to see somebody who knew what life was about from home.
Yes.
But I think the problem we have is not to do with tax, to do with VAT. VAT is paid by everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the situation is, everyone pays VAT.
Okay.
But maybe the VAT, the tax that he was talking about is the duty on vehicle. That's free.
Okay.
Yeah, but everyone pays VAT.
Okay.
But I'll talk to the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Maybe they can take on the VAT
Mm-hmm.
part of the tax when he imports the trucks, of course.
Thank you very much. Every time he brings so many donations. So this time he also bring many music instruments and also he also send a hand tractor for the use of Youth Training Center NASA under Ministry of Youth and Sport for agriculture.
Agriculture.
Yes. And we also donated many music instruments to the church and also Nelson Palmer Memorial SDA School in Nabosa.
But I want to thank you for the wonderful work that you've been doing with the Ministry of Youth and Sports. We can have a look at the MOU again and find out what we can do to amend it so Ministry of Youth and Sports can assist in the VAT payment.
Thank you.
But we'll see.
Yes.
Present for you.
This used to be called Daruma.
Daruma.
Yes. When we have election, once you pass the election, we put the eye inside.
こっちへ先にこっちへ入れて願いが叶ったらここにこっちへ
Before election, you put eye first here. Then, if you pass the election, you put another eye here, so that this one will be a full,
Okay.
complete one.
We have election over.
Yes.
Both have-
So next time when you
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Benak. Benak.